In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a specific pages to PDF in Word documents. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, normally open the document and click on this File option and then choose Print. And here you will see some options. Normally you have to choose Print all pages, and here you will see some other options. Those are Print selection, print current page, custom print. Choose custom print from here. For example, now I want to convert to PDF from 3 to 5 pages. So I'm choosing here 3, a hyphen and 5. And then if you click on the enter button on your keyboard, then you will see the location window here. So here you can save the PDF right now. So I'm choosing this videos folder and giving it a name and clicking on this save button. And now if I go to the file manager and click on these videos, then you will see that our PDF has been created and it's including only 3 to 5 pages. So that's all. Now you know how to convert a specific pages to PDF in Word document. Allah Hafiz.